Markkula and Regis McKenna. Markkula, a retired Intel employee, was instrumental in securing funds for the Apple II. His business plan aimed to expand beyond hobbyists, predicting Apple's rise to a Fortune 500 company. Markkula's mentorship of Jobs emphasized empathy, focus, and image in the company's philosophy. This laid the foundation for Jobs to prioritize customer needs, focus on core products, and prioritize marketing and packaging details throughout his career. McKenna, a prominent publicist, played a crucial role in shaping Apple's brand identity. His team revamped Apple II's brochures, introducing a simple Apple logo designed by Rob Janoff. Jobs' emphasis on sophistication led to the iconic bitten Apple logo in 6 colors, reinforcing his design philosophy: simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.